Choosing the right software for school administration can make a big difference in managing school operations effectively. In this video, we'll share tips and considerations for selecting the right software for your school's needs. Whether you're a school administrator or an IT professional, selecting the right software for your school's needs can be a challenging task. In this video, we'll share tips and considerations to help you choose the right software for your school's administration needs. Tip 1. Determine your school's needs. Before selecting software, it's important to determine your school's specific needs. Identifying the areas where you need software support. Evaluating your current systems and processes. Prioritizing the features you need in a software solution. Tip 2. Consider user experience. A user-friendly software solution can save time and increase efficiency. Evaluating the user interface of potential software solutions. Considering the training and support offered by software vendors. Seeking input from end users. Tip 3. Evaluate integration and data management. Software integration and data management can greatly impact the effectiveness of school administration. Evaluating how the software integrates with your current systems. Considering data management and security features. Ensuring that the software can handle the volume of data your school generates. Tip 4. Evaluate cost and ROI. Choosing software for school administration is a long-term investment. Understanding the total cost of ownership, including licensing, maintenance, and support. Evaluating the return on investment, including improved efficiency and productivity. Considering the scalability of the software solution for future growth. Tip 5. Research vendor and support. Selecting a reputable vendor with strong customer support is key to the success of the software implementation. Researching the vendor's track record and reputation. Evaluating the quality of customer support offered. Seeking recommendations and referrals from other schools and educators. Selecting the right software for school administration can have a big impact on the success of school operations. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.